Today we are going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Razer Bungee version 2. Mouse bungees are something that I have pretty much ignored until recently, as they seemed borderline gimmicky. However, I am only a casual gamer. The idea is to reduce drag and interference caused by your mouse cable by elevating a user-defined length of the cable closest to the mouse above your desk surface, or at least reduce the amount of slack in the cable. The Razer Bungee version 2 is reasonably priced at about $20 USD, making it more expensive than some but less than others. In the box, there's a Razer welcome card as well as a couple of stickers. I think this is one of the better looking bungees with its matte black finish and discreet Razer logo. It could easily blend into most desk setups. Setting up your mouse cord is very straightforward with 3 separate attachment points to ensure the cable stays in place. The bottom of the bungee is edged with rubber to ensure the base does not move around with normal mouse movement. It seems to have just the right amount of weight. For example, I do like that it will eventually move with an excessive or quick pull of the mouse. This could potentially save you from breaking a mouse cable, especially those with light fabric sleeving. But why not just pick up a wireless gaming mouse? With the latest wireless tech, latency has been proven to be a non-issue. I've made the switch myself, but find myself coming back to wired mice occasionally due to the convenience of not worrying about receivers, batteries, chargers, wireless interference, or special charging mouse pads. So, is the Razer Bungee version 2 worth a buy as a wired mouse user? After some time using my first and only bungee, and as a casual user, I say maybe. If you are into competitive FPS games and want all of the competitive advantages, this is definitely a buy. I've purposely gone back and forth with and without this bungee to see if I could tell a difference. And it does indeed make a difference at times. When in use, I got to say goodbye to the occasional snag on the edge of my desk, as well as anything on my desk between my mouse and the back of my PC, like my headphone amplifier. Using a bungee certainly gets you very close to the feel of using a wireless mouse. With that said, I'm going to have to stick with this bungee for the advantages whenever I'm using a wired mouse. Thanks for watching. Please consider smashing that like and subscribe buttons. Take care, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.